guys! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, another mesmerizing cake ang ating kakainin. We have here a very cute and petite cake ng Contis, yung kanilang strawberry shortcake. And first time natin matitikman ang kanilang strawberry shortcake. Okay guys, so pasensya kung medyo maingay kasi fiesta rito. So marami talagang happening sa labas. So don't mind them, mind me. Ano daw? Ate! Anyway, so yun lang. Focus muna kayo sa kagandahan ko. Ay! Okay, dahil first time natin matitikman. And I am very excited. Buksan na natin. Yeah! Ang cute! Ang cute niya! So, I have to remove it from the box. Yun lang. Tara lang ha. Okay. Slowly. I don't want to ruin the cake. Oh.
15 minutes later.
Okay. Napagtagumpayan na natin siyang tanggalin. It's so cute! O, diba? Ang cute-cute niya. Ang liit. Actually, meron tong tatlong kapatid talaga. They have the ube, the cheesecake, and this one. So, yun. So, dahil di pa natin natitikman yung kanilang strawberry shortcake. So, I decided to buy this one. Kasi yung ube natikman ko niya. Pero hindi ko pala na-review sa inyo. Anyways, we will buy na lang again. Okay. So, magkano to? This is amounting to 275 pesos. Correct? Hindi kasi ako yung nagbayad. Okay. 295 pesos. Okay, papagalitan ako ng konti. It's 295 pesos. Yan. Hindi nga kasi ako yung nagbayad. Okay. So, sukatin natin. Kasi it's so small. It's so cute. Parang nagkakapanghinayang kainin. So again, we have the mahiwagang ruler. Asa na naman yung 1 inch? Okay. Okay. So, it's almost 4. 4 in diameter. Kasi bilog, diameter. Then, yung height niya is 3. Almost 3. Almost 4 for the circumference. Kung ano pong sasabi ko. Sorry, hindi ko specialty yung math eh. Basta yan, yung bilog niya magpo-4, then yung height niya magpo-3. So, this is a very, very petite cake talaga. Very cute. And kanina, doon sa store nila, magkakatabi siya from the regular size. Then, they have the mini. Then, this one, ang cute-cute nilang tingnan. Together with the ube also. Na may malaki, then medium, tapos to small. Ang galing, ang cute-cute talaga. I don't know if this is also part of the anniversary of Contis, na ganito yung mga nilabas nila, mga petite cakes. And, kasi yung isa, yung tiramisu, it's a limited edition. So, I don't know if mainstay na talaga yung mga petite cakes nila. So, hopefully, oo, kasi ang ganda-ganda niyang panregalo. And, kung gusto mo lang makatikim ng mga cakes nila na hindi mabigat sa budget nyo, so, this is a very, very good buy talaga. So, dami ko sinabi. Let's eat! Hiwain natin. Kasi first time ko ito matitikman. Hindi na. Okay na yan. So, hiwain natin. Sana makita nyo. Maliit lang. Galing pa kasi kami ng grocery, kaya medyo malambot na siya. Kung ano yung maliit, no, yun yung mahirap hiwain. Yan. Ayan, liit talaga, literal. Yung hiwa ko kasing liit din nung nung cake. Yung aroma talaga ng strawberry. Nangangamoy. I have to be very careful with this one. Hopefully makita niyo yung loob. I'm not sure kung sponge cake or chiffon cake tong strawberry shortcake nila. This is my first time eating it. Trying it. Okay. So let's taste. I believe sponge cake to. Very fluffy. I see. Ang sarap. Manada strawberry. Ay, manalo. Busin natin to. Yung sarap niya, ha? In fairness, may nagsabi nga kasi sa akin before na masarap nga daw po ang strawberry ng Contis. Kaya lang I was thinking that strawberry siya, tapos talagang kitang-kita mo sa ibabaw na punong-puno ng strawberry, oozing yung pagka-redness niya. You're thinking tuloy na matamis siya. Pero, opo, matamis siya, but in a way na yung lasa ng cream na parang, you know, yung very elegant yung taste, na hindi yung nakakaumay na sweetness. And masarap po din na strawberry, hindi siya maasim. It's very, very, how do you call it ba? Yung, basta masarap. Hindi ko ma-describe, pero it's my first time trying this one, and it didn't disappoint me. So this strawberry shortcake ay swak na swak sa budget nyo. It's only 205 pesos. It's very petite, it's very cute, it's very maganda pang regalo. And kung gusto nyo lang ng cake, ng Contis, so this is the time that pasok na sa budget nyo ang pambili ng inyong mga cake. O, diba? Tulad ko, on the budget. Pero hindi ako nagbayad nito. Okay, thank you, sponsor. Okay, so yun lang, guys. So, I will be rating this cake. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Okay? Contis, you did it again. Ang cute-cute niya. And, kasi hindi ko pa natitikman yung regular size. So, I believe naman it's the same taste. Because the same flavor, pinaliit lang siya. Pero, yung quality, hindi po bumaba yung quality niya. The same na the same. And yung lasa ng very elegant yung taste. Yung lasang pangmayaman, andun siya. Okay, so yun lang, guys. I have to go. Partner nito, parang masarap ang ano. Gusto ko lang ng juice. Pero coffee pa rin. Anyway, so yun lang, guys. I have to go now. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I have to go now. Happy anniversary, Contis. Bye!